I think now we'll go into separate files,
Okay.
separate ones.
That one needs to go in our doc
Hmm.
About that.
5 times.
Okay. There we go. Got the date time. Okay, now we
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
filter based on date time.
Yeah, that's all.
So how do we filter based on date time in the active
So there's
record
a
again?
method, I put a method in the timetable.rb file. Go into there, I think that should do it. Yeah,
model?
scroll down. In the model.
Okay, yeah.
I did it by timeout, but I think that's right.
Can do and? I don't know how this works again.
Or you could just do, well, I mean, it calls that method anyway.
I have no idea how this is gonna work.
You're supposed to actually like do the active record stuff in the model and then everything else is in
I know,
the
but we'll do it later. We'll just, I just want to get working first.
You don't want roast to roast.
I know we're gonna change it. Like, you don't have to worry about it now. You can do things just to see if it works. And then like, we're gonna get bogged down with like, oh, how do we get this variable to this file without doing this? Like, let's just make sure it works and then we'll move it.
Yeah.
So much easier to do that.
That might tell us how to do it. Oh, you already have.
Well, and yeah.
I need like the Codio with the active record. Here we go.
Oh, you're looking for and. I think it is and. But everything
Yeah.
might be in quotations.
Well, this is like a symbol, so I don't understand.
And in Rails. Wait, active record. And active record query interface. Ooh, there's a cool way of doing it now. But
Yeah.
there's something called scope.
I think that would be it. The one of them down there was. We could just do it. Start time.
I feel like it's better to do it by. Wait, never mind.
I mean, I didn't even test it might work. No, it doesn't work.
Wait, syntax error. Expecting due.
Maybe that. No.
Oh wait, get rid of, what if you got, I think everything might be supposed to be in quotations here.
Oh, go back to that document you had up with the things, because I saw one that was for time. It had a dot in between. Where it's like from this time to this time. Yeah, this here, where dot time, something like that.
But that's like when you create
now.
the thing. That's when you create it. That's a thing.
I
Yeah,
don't
it's
think
fine.
we have to use created at. I think we could just use like our start time.
Yeah. Well, when you just, yeah. Well, it's the same. It's gonna be the same. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
When you create the timetable, it clocks in instantly, right?
Well, I mean, you could just do time. Well, what if you're just filtering?
It actually technically is created at.
Yeah, so it's the same thing. We could use time in or created at.
So yeah, it would be the same as time. And I don't think we need to worry about timeout, since typically no one's going to be working multiple days in a row. It'll be within the same date.
What if you're working a night shift?
Well, then it's still gonna just be 1 day off. And it's then you can just change the filter to be 1 day if you didn't see it.
Yeah, I want to try something. Does this? Okay, that works.
No, wait.
So,
Okay.
how do you do? I think you just do this.
Would created at work? Or wait, is created as just like just like everything is created at, or
Yeah,
okay,
everything, every database thing has.
okay, so it's like an ID basically.
Yeah.
Yes.
So does not do that. Created at 2D. Maybe it's plus on that thing.
What's the wait, but you don't have any.
There we go. Okay.
Oh wait,
Wait, so that's good.
wait, how come it doesn't have any when you go from the 6th? Oh wait, does it when you go from the 16th to the 16th?
16th does.
Because you just added the +1.
So
there.
this is, if I did
So if-
15th, it does not. And the only thing
Wait,
it doesn't
it goes
save
back.
what these are. No, it doesn't go back. Like it just resets this to the day to day. Like it
Yeah.
actually does reflect though. So 16, 16. That works. 16, 20. That works. So if I do 2020, 2020, doesn't work.
Yeah, okay, that's right.
And yep. And then if I do like
Should we
2016.
have it save in a session what it's showing you? Because it keeps, whenever you refresh it, it goes back to today's date.
Yeah.
That might be a little
Yeah, yeah.
confusing.
Oh yeah,
Instead
wait,
of
we had go to
session-
5.2. It had there.
To date equals final to date session from date equals final from date. How do we change this now? It's gonna be like the default value of this, I guess. Change default value of date select. Actually, it's gonna be raw, annoying.
You know what we should do also, like, if the date, like, we should probably have like a flash message too, like, if the final start date is out of range, you just throw a flash message.
Mm. Instead of using the ugly date time, you can simply use the date picker provided by the browser having,
Yeah, we've already used date times.
yeah.
But this
Just
is
set
but
That ship
default
is,
date.
selected. Oh, okay.
dot final date or
Oh yeah, could you do that in here?
So Ruby, I think you can if it's executing Ruby. Oops. Maybe it won't work, but
I mean, it's worth giving it a shot.
there you go.
oh, there we. That's
Matt, you're a fucking god.
that's sick.
Easy. Okay, now let's test it.
Okay,
Let's make a new one.
so
See,
Ah.
okay, I need to make it so that
undefined method. Well, from your
yeah, if it doesn't have that, then it's gonna be nil.
well, we could just do. Well, it's just like a simple as statement.
Yeah.
Where if the from year is greater than the 2 year, you just don't do it.
Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be a problem too. Um. Oh, I can move this up here. And then move that up here.
What if we can I don't know how difficult it'll be, but if we make the range of dates you can pick from, since you scroll down to only be after.
Um. Wait,
I guess
I'm
that might.
trying to.
be difficult.
How do you do else? Do I do it end and then else, or do I do else and then end?
Else is
It's an
before the
else
end.
and then an end.
What do you say? You both talk at the same time.
Else before end.
Yeah.
Oh, not equal to no.
Yeah.
Still no. Oh, I probably put that in here. Oh, it's just.
Could yeah. I'll put yeah. Well, I know actually could be right after index
Date select.
because
that
wait go.
Here I could. This is so annoying, but.
Yeah.
How do I get the other one? Like, how do I do else in this?
It's just else. You could just like dash else. I'm pretty
Here?
sure. Go 2 spaces back. Yeah. The fucking spacing in Hamlin's so fucking annoying.
I don't get why that's a thing. Like,
I mean it's much simpler than HTML.
but why? I would rather brackets.
Undefined method day. For this.
What? String. Where is it getting day from?
You know, it's doing that weird thing, I think, where it puts a T in it and maybe messing it up. Oh. No, it's not it still.
Session 2 date. Date select. Table tag 2 date from date not equal to nil.
Wait, why does it say to date? Should be.
I mean
from.
that's what you. Well, there's. A session from date. What do you call it in the controller? Final from date.
I gotta use the bathroom.
Wait, you do call it 2 date. Okay, from date 2 date. Okay, I see.
I understand.
All right. Define method day. Go Google that. It's probably your best.
Wait. Oh. Storing it in the session, which is like not the best, probably. I want it like
Oh,
a,
maybe yeah, maybe you have to store it separately.
I
That's
don't want
probably
to
what
store it
it
in the
is.
session, actually. I just want to make it like this. Like, I don't want them to save the date. Like, this doesn't make sense. To date.
But will it save it though? Because like, don't you? Isn't it? Oh, okay.
I don't want it to be saved in a cookie. It doesn't really make sense.
All right.
Okay,
Okay.
log out, log in. Clock out. Sure. Okay, now let's change it to May 2nd. Okay, or May 12th, I guess, whatever. That's a lot of hours, huh? Okay. Oh, it's not sorted. It's fine though. Wait, if I refresh, will it sort? Okay, so let's go from, so if we go from the 14th to the 16th, it shouldn't show the second one. Okay, so that's a problem.
Wait, you did something weird
What?
because you said it's not sorted, but it would be sorted automatically.
Well, I
when
just
you-
edited it.
Oh, that's why. Yeah.
Yeah. Also need to do this at the top here.
You guys have a meeting in 3 minutes?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay. Are we meeting again?
16th. Okay, wait.
Wait, how does a 17th
Oh,
from
wondering.
14th?
Created at.
Wait, yeah.
Oh, I didn't even
should
do
work.
that. Right. Yeah, well, that's something we can.
Wait, actually, that might be good. If it does the opposite way, then it should just not show.
Oh, wait, I'm
anything.
dumb. Wait, look, when it refreshes, it goes to the opposite one.
Oh, so it does it it does it automatically.
Date. Date. I'm really confused right now. When I refresh it, it updates to the other one.
Okay.
Why is that? Doesn't really make sense though. Am I setting it wrong in here? Oh, I literally am just setting it wrong.
Oh,
That makes sense.
Okay. So this one should not be here though.
maybe. Oh wait, because maybe the timeout. Well, wait, you're sorting it by the time in, right?
Sorting it by created at. I could sort it by time in though.
Maybe.
Yeah, okay. Maybe it just updates it when you do that. I don't know. That's weird though.
Oh wait, because I
There you go.
think because like you technically you created the query like
Yeah,
today. Like so that's probably
They're
what
both
it is.
at the same time. Yeah.
So they're
Okay.
different. Yeah.
I have to go, but I'm gonna push this.
Push it and then I could do like tests a little later, or I mean, you and Josh both have to leave, but
I mean, they haven't shared a Zoom link yet, so neither me or nor Matt are the group leader.
you want to just like refactor some of this stuff here?
Is the
Just to
group
make-
leader the same to every time?
That's what we've been doing.
I
Yeah.
think you guys should do the tests and then we could all refactor at one point. Because the tests are way more important.
Yeah. Wait, run Cucumber really quick. See.
I
That
put
was
in
awesome.
the
Thank you.
I put in a cucumber test and pivotal tracker for the totals, but
There you go.
it
I feel like that might be like a better RSpec test too. Like that might be easier to test in RSpec since we did it in like as like because we did them as like instance variables. So
it requires a feature file for every feature.
yeah. Well, you know.
I mean, you can make it as bare bones and then take out like how it actually counts and then just look for the fact that it's there because that works. It finds it finds that it says total hours, but it just doesn't update it unless you clock in. But if you clock in, then you're not going to be adding any hours because when in Cucumber you clock in and clock out immediately.
Yeah. So Matt, you saved the day because I was trying to do a little bit of it last night, but like I had no idea what that form was called. So that like really fucked me over.
Wait, but
You
actually
did-
you could use the clock in, clock out and test the fact that it increases the number of times you work. You don't have to and just like not test that it counts the hours. And it'll be like, yeah, that's enough. We tested that it updates more and we see the
Yeah,
time.
like, if you, like make like a new like web step or something. Like
I don't even think you need a new web step. You'll just say, then I should see this number. I should not see this number, and then I should see this number. See that it wasn't there before for something else. You know what I mean?
oh, okay, I see what you're saying.
And so that one, if you just clock in and clock out, it will update. The hours won't because it's immediate. So just check the fact that it says total hours there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do some testing on that date thing.
As long as we like get around like doing the date stuff, I think we'll be good.
Yeah.
'Cause this is
Also,
fun.
we should just do some testing on like logging out or like editing and then deleting and just see how it works. Cause I don't know, it might be like nil somewhere or something. I forgot to check.
What do you mean?
Like,
'Cause we-
just do like a query for a certain date and then
yeah.
click like edit or delete and just like go to a different page and then come back and see like if it saved it. It doesn't have to save it. Just make sure nothing like crashes.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't know. I feel like somewhere I forgot to check for nil or something and it could just crash at some random point.
Okay.
Is there any way we can check the print thing that it brings us to that printable page, that print page?
Wait, man?
No,
No, I don't think so. That's on your
Cucumber.
browser.
Yeah, I guess we can just quickly look that up. Cucumber test or print.
Print the current. JavaScript print. Yeah, it's kind of a weird thing because like, wouldn't it be like that's not part of our page, so we can't say like then I'll be on the print page.
Yeah.
So
Can
I don't think you can
we,
test it. It's
what
a
if-
browser thing.
what if we just do a flash message? Say you printed the timesheet and we say now you've seen the printed the timesheet, just so that we have something for the feature. You know what I mean?
yeah, I mean that makes sense.
Yeah.
That makes sense, but it'd be kind of weird. Like, cause like it would pop up as like the print thing, but then it would also pop up a flash message. So like I get we're doing it just for the test. But like,
You can also just say like, you printed your timesheet, sign and submit to your manager or something. So it like seems informative.
okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense. That's
Yeah.
so like we basically did everything.
Well, now I have to test Cucumber.
The hard part. But yeah, we should be good for this project.
Yeah.
It's pretty much over.
Well,
Don't we have to do the demo video?
We
or
gotta
something?
push to Heroku.
Yeah, and we have to push to production. Yeah.
and we have to plan out how we're gonna split up the presentation.
So I get when are we meeting for this?
Probably somewhere between now and the 20th,
What's the what day is the 20th? The Wednesday?
Thursday.
I have a final.
Yeah, the 320 final.
I have a final Wednesday.
Damn.
That's really sucked. There's not a single reading day this semester.
Dude, I have one final Wednesday, like 2 finals Thursday. We all have like I mean me
What
and
did
Court.
you do last semester?
Dude, we had one
There-
reading day last or something.
Last
I'm,
semester we had it was really weird because I had a final on a Sunday. And so like technically Saturday was my reading day, but even so still, like I don't think
Yeah.
we have classes.
Dude, I
Yeah,
have
we
no
don't have a
reading
reading
days.
day.
I have no
Yeah.
reading days.
Yeah.
But like so I would like I'm also meeting tomorrow at 8 p.m. with my 350 group for that assignment.
Wait, Ben, how did is yours working?
What?
Your 350 assignment.
Yeah,
Mine is.
I'm pretty
Can
sure.
you like show me it? Cause I don't know why ours is wrong. Like we followed the pseudocode exactly.
Yeah.
Can you just send me a picture of it or something? I just don't understand.
Download the file and open it.
Okay.
You
If
should
you
probably
follow
stop
it,
the. You should probably stop the recording at this point.
oh, yeah. Stop recording.